what you see here, this woodenware, we call it, this wooden box, that's actually the hive. So the hive is the house of the bees, and the colony is what's inside of it. So the living creatures inside of this hive. So there's 3 types of bees within a honeybee colony. There's 2 types of females and 1 type of male. So the most famous female is the queen, and there's usually only 1 queen in the colony. And so what she does, there she is actually. You can see her. We've marked her with blue. That means she was born last year. So hopefully you can see that. So the queen is the most important individual in that colony. She's laying eggs all the time. She's producing pheromones to promote colony cohesion. And surrounding her, you can see some workers. So these are the other type of females. So they don't lay eggs. What they do are all the housekeeping tasks of the colony. So they'll clean the colony, they'll remove detritus, they'll care for developing bees, so they'll feed developing bees. And near the end of their life, they're the ones that are going out and foraging, collecting pollen and nectar. So there's our queen. That's pretty cool that we can see her. Sometimes it's pretty difficult to see the queen. And in those cases, a beekeeper would look for eggs. And essentially, they look like tiny grains of rice at the bottom of a cell. So honeybees build these hexagonal cells using wax glands. And so within these hexagonal cells, they store their developing bees and they store their food. So they're developing bees, just like kind of like a monarch butterfly. They go through these different phases. They have an egg, they have a larva that looks like a little caterpillar, then they have a pupa that looks like a little alien, and then they have an adult. So they have these dramatic phase shifts as they're developing.